Okay, well, I had a really, really good day today. Um, Today at work was a solid day. We worked quite a bit, and I enjoyed work. And I know work was work, but you know, as I say, I enjoy my work colleagues, and I enjoy the kind of work I do. Um, I played World of Tanks and a bit of gaming and stuff when I got home. Um, Not really a lot to talk about. Made some pasta, talked to my roommate Maddie, just small fry stuff. At work I talked to my American friend. Oh, it's been so fucking long. I'm so glad I got in contact with him. I didn't have his new number, which was my bad. But he ended up contacting me. Oh, it's just so good to talk to him. I talked to him for a good 30 minutes, maybe more, in the car with all my work colleagues around us because it was piss raining, so we didn't get out the car. And it was just, look, mate, it was just great to bloody catch up with you. And if you're watching these, which I'm not sure if you are or not, it was bloody great. It was great catching up with you, mate. Yeah, it was good. That was probably the highlight of the day, but then I went to dance, which I didn't really have high hopes for. It was rainy when I got there, and I was wet, but I had a great fucking time, great social time. I socialised with tons of people, I talked to tons of people, I danced with quite a few people. Dance this week was, wow, it was bloody great. So I'm pretty happy with dance. Also, I got these winglets for my bike from eBay. I just wanted to see if they would look good, and they just don't. I think the bike is, I mean, obviously the bike's a smaller bike, so everything's smaller dimensions, but the winglets just don't suit the bike, and they don't really actually fit the curves of the bike, so I'm going to sell them on eBay, or Facebook, I should say. But, today, great day. Really good day. I really enjoyed today, and got to enjoy some food, even though I made food at home. I don't know why I bought this dumb move, but I'm gonna go home. I am home. Gotta watch maybe some Ghost Whisperers and go to sleep. I love you, Nana. That was our show. Well, not our show, but it was definitely a show you watched. So yeah, I learnt today that I've got too many of these bobble things, like this one here. This one here got jammed in between my key and my turning, and I couldn't freaking turn. I was like, why can't I turn left? Be like this, look. Ooh, it's not doing it. But if I remove that from the equation, better, look at that. Yeah, I need to figure out a solution for that. Oh, actually, I think I popped it open by accident. That's better. Alright, bye.